kung nagtatampo sila dahil hindi dumating ang SB19 at pakiwari nila ay hindi appreciated ng kanilang efforts
Although they have not articulated why they were not
present.
present in the awards night, it must be
Yes, it's 18 days before Christmas at Sunday Sweet Sunday ngayon. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
hi.
Ano nga mga blooming? Ito po ang The Show. Tarayan na talakayan Showbiz Edition. Para sa ating easy round, ay ang aming favorite Southeast Asian pop superstar group, ang SB19, wapakels nga ba sa mga bago nilang award? Ang SB19 ay pinangaralan sa 2025 P-Pop Music Awards. At ang kanilang mga napalanulan ay, ano-ano, Mare?
Artist of the Year,
Album of the Year, Simula at Wakas by SB19.
a Song of the Year for
Dongka.
Dongka,
Music Video of the Year, Damn by SB19.
a Concert of the Year Simula at Wakas by SB19,
At Collaboration of the Year, Umaaligid by SB19 with Sarah Geronimo.
and Solo Artist of the Year si
Felipe.
Felipe.
Best Choreography in a Live Performance, Dongka by SB19.
Pipa Favorite Fandom of the Year, SB19.
At P-Pop Favorite Group of the Year, ang SB19.
Wow! Ito pa, Pipa Favorite Visual of the Year, Justin of SB19. Ang
ang
dami, sang
dami.
rekwa!
At P-Pop Favorite Dancer of the Year, Ken Susan of SB19.
Well, the list goes on. Pipa Favorite Rapper of the Year for Josh of SB19.
Oh,
My God.
di ba? At P-Pop Favorite Vocalist of the Year, Stella Ahero of SB19.
Parang, I don't see the dead end of this, ano? Pipa Favorite
Of this
Leader of the Year, Pablo of SB19.
Di ba? At because they are our favorites, at feature namin sila sa aming news program, ang People Spotlight of the Award goes to Sync. So, Mare, ano makasabi mo sa katotohanan na hindi dumalo ang kahit ni isang member o kahit na sinong representative ng 1Z Entertainment sa nasabing Music Awards? Nakita na si Justin De Jos at si Pinunong Pablo Nase ay nanood ng Binified Concert. Tama?
Yeah.
At no-show si Josh Karen Santos, si Stella Ahero at si Ken Suson sa nasabing awards night. Hindi ko alam if this awards night is powered by votes. Kung powered to ng votes, I understand kung bakit nanalo sila. Dahil talaga namang una, lahat ng mga pinanalo nila, they deserve. At pangalawa, talaga makisipag mga 18 sa pagboboto. Lalo na sa ganyang mga botohan. Sa akin, kung nagtatampo sila dahil hindi dumating ang SB19 at pakiwari nila ay hindi appreciated ng kanilang efforts, ngayon pa lang mga nene, mga totoy, mga boy, girl, bakla at tomboy, erase nyo ang ganyang line of thought. Hindi ganun ka-irresponsable ang SB19 at ang 1Z pamunuan. Tiyak may mas malaking dahilan na hindi natin alam lahat kung bakit hindi nila piniling dumalo sa nasabing Gabi ng Parangal. What say you, Mare?
Dalawang bagay lang yan.
Go, girl.
First, the question is, was it an act of snobbery?
Okay.
Number two, was it an act of honoring a previous commitment?
Mhm.
Baka nauna sila kasi na mag-ano doon sa Binified concert.
Manood ng Binified.
concert.
Nakaplano na yun.
Oo, nakaplano na yon. And, nagkataon din na yung tatlo, meron silang personal
Activities.
activities.
That they
Ganun
cannot
lang
say
yun.
no to.
Oo. At saka, I don't think it's a deliberate
Attempt.
it's a deliberate decision to
Okay.
snub the awards night, 'di
Mm.
ba? Because wala namang ganung
Walang
image ang
wala
SB19.
silang, backstory or
Oo,
history na talaga nang iisnab at hindi dumadalo sa mga
mm.
activities that they are na pinaparangalan sila.
Oo. I think, although they have not articulated why they were not
Present.
present in the awards night, it must be for a bigger reason,
Yes.
'di ba?
For a higher cause.
Oo. So let us not make assumptions
Mhm.
that what they did was an act of snobbery,
Mhm.
'di ba? Kasi we don't know the truth,
Yes.
'di ba? No one knew the truth,
Mhm.
'di ba?
Except for them.
Oo, 'di ba? Ngayon, if they respond to yung mga sama ng loob
O
nga
sa
ng
mga
mga
tampo.
18, 'di ba?
Mm.
Well and good, 'di ba?
Mm.
Pero I think they will not it is not deliberate attempt
Mhm.
na talagang isnabin yung
Oo. Yung nasabing gabi ng parangal.
'di ba?
Mm.
At saka tawag dito, marami pa namang awards night, 'di
Mhm.
ba? Marami pa namang malay natin kung they have sent a letter na,
Mhm.
"I'm sorry but we cannot attend
Oo,
this," 'di ba?
oo.
Kasi wala pa ngang 'di ba? There is no statement coming from both ends.
Mm.
Coming from the awards night, coming from SB19.
Mhm.
Only kung talagang magsasalita sila, that will clear up matters.
Yes.
'Di ba? Ganun lang naman 'yon.
And if hindi man sila magsalita, it only means to show na they do not want to dignify anything
Mm.
sa mga kaganapan and that they hope that the 18s are mature enough to deal with things like this.
Mm.
'Di ba? Kasi sa totoo lang, ang lalim na dapat ng pinagsamahan ninyo.
Hmm.
'Di ba? Ang dami-dami niyo ng ups and downs. And for you, sa akin lang kasi parang, oo, may karapatang magtampo, pero wala kayong karapatang i-insist yung feelings niyo dun sa mga artist.
Oo.
'Di
Or it
ba?
could be, kasi yung dalawa committed na dun sa BINI.
Mhm.
So, parang kulang kasi sila kung attend sila, eh. 'Di
Mhm.
ba? So, why not tawag dito, hindi na lang. Kasi nga
Hmm.
kulang nga sila, eh. 'Di ba?
Hmm.
Eh, ang award giving body, ang daming binigay sa kanila as a group, as 'di
Oo,
ba?
as
So,
individual
kulang.
artist.
So, parang, parang 'di ba parang 'pag kulang yung
Mas
banda,
lalong
oo,
ano,
mas lalong obvious na 'di ba?
ng isnab.
Mm.
Di saka, ang point kasi sa'kin is that we do not know yung day-to-day operations nila on a
Mm.
personal level and on a
Yeah.
professional level. And they also have a team who decides, "O, punta tayo dito, hindi tayo pupunta dito." 'Di ba?
Mm.
We have to learn to respect their executive decisions.
At saka hindi, they are managed. So,
Mhm.
ibig sabihin, kung ano yung sabi ng boss nila o yung
Mhm.
manager nila, yun ang sinusunod
They are
nila.
managed kasi, ba, diba? Once the entertainment is being managed by all of them.
Mm.
So, ang dating, they have a bigger reason why
Mm.
there is no need to be present there. Ako
Mm.
ang magandang pangyayari lang yan, SB19 not being present in the show, I believe it gave more opportunity to the other P-pop artists who were present during the awards
To
night.
shine.
Kasi nag-shine. They were
Mm.
given the opportunity to shine. So, di
Mm.
ba pag dumating yung SB19, tapos ganun
Focus
pala
na,
karaming awards nila,
oo.
eclipse na naman ang lahat.
Oo, 'di ba
Di
parang
ba?
gano'n. Ang concentration sa kanila.
Oo. Di
Oo.
ba? So, ngayon, I don't want to call it as a consuelo de bobo
Hmm.
para dun sa mga artists na nag-shine because they're not
Mm.
present, but because we really have to understand na ang SB19 po ay tao rin.
Mm.
Napapagod, gusto magpahinga, baka yung pagkakataon ng awards night na yun, panahon na lang parang their much needed rest. That is why Justine and Pablo chose to have a recreational time watching the Binified concert.
Mm.
Diba? And the three other guys, ninamnan na yung pagpapahinga nila.
Yeah.
Diba? So, huwag na tayong magtampo. At ang importante is that ang SB19 hindi nagpapabaya sa kanilang artistry. Lalo tayong binibigyan ng bago, ng bongga. At talagang inilalagay ang Pilipinas sa mapa ng world music. At tandaan nyo, ang Simula at Wakas album ay #1 sa iTunes
Mm.
sa US.
Wow.
iTunes chart sa US yan ha. That's another history in the making. Kaya dapat natin silang papalakpakan at mas lalong papurihan at dapat pang mas lalong mahalin. Ito po si Alwin Ignacio, Livo That You Love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring ultramaldita.
Hi.
Pinanonood niyo po ang The Kitty Show. Tarayan at Halakayan Showbiz Edition.